Hello Jimmy, this is Annie. This is the pillow sham from customer. You can see it is rectangle shape. And it has two labels. This is the first one and another one is here. Here. Another one is here. This is the long side, and the short side. Short side, the open is in the middle. And this pillow is made by one piece of fabric. Why? I show you. This is long edge. On the long edge, you can see it has inside seam. Inside seam. And on the right, on the short edge, no inside seam. It's just a fold the fabric. This place, the same. Just fold the edge. And in the open place, it's to fold the edge at one sewing line. This place the same, one sewing line. And the overlay is about this long. So how will we to make this pillow sham by our machine? Take it as a piece of fabric. First of all, we will fold the edge on the right and the left side. The second, make it like this. Then this is the pillow sham shape. And next to sew this line and this line. Okay, finished. This has finished, and another step is worker to take inside, turn inside, outside, and then use another sewing machine to sew the outside lines.